Profit and loss account for the year 31st March 2015. For the examination point of view, we have divided the profit and loss account into two. One is income and number two is expenditure. So as far as income is concerned, in the problem they have given sales of rupees 11,000 60,000. So that should be taken under inner column of the profit and loss account. So from that we are going to deduct the returns. So in the problem they have given return inwards of rupees 10,000. Return inwards in the sense when the company made its sales. So from the customers they have received the goods in the name of goods return. So that the 10,000 will be the returns inwards which is given in the problem. If you deduct 11,60,000 with of rupees 10,000, the net sales will be 11,50,000. So that should be taken under outer column of the profit and loss account. Next, number B, other income. In the problem they have given discount. So that is discount received of rupees 6,500. The total is 11,56,500. So that is total income or total income side. Next we are move on to expenditure. Under that, number one is cost of goods sold. So under that, first we should take opening stock in the inner column 1,80,000. So for that we are going to add purchase of rupees 3,80,000. So in the problem they are given return outwards of rupees 5,000. Return outwards in the sense the goods which are already purchased. So that purchased goods should be returned back to the to the creditors. So that is rupees 5,000. So that 3,80,000 minus 5,000, again in the inner column 3,75,000. Next, carriage of rupees 5,000, wages of rupees 45,000. So that the total cost of goods sold is rupees 6,05,000 minus closing stock or less closing stock of rupees 2,50,000. So in the outer column 3,55,000. So it is called as cost of goods sold. Next, salaries of rupees 1,20,000, general expenses of rupees 35,000. Next, bad debts. In the problem they are given bad debts of rupees 7,500, and we can see the adjustment number B, wherein they are given provide RBD, reserve for bad debts, at 2.5%. So you have to provide or you have to make reserve for bad debts at 2.5% on debtors which is given in the problem. The debtors of rupees 3 lakh into 2.5% will be the provision. So that which come to rupees 7,500. So bad debt 7,500 plus new RBD 7,500. So total 15,000. So in this problem they have not given any old reserve, so that the total bad debts is rupees 15,000. Next, carriage outwards. So carriage outwards of rupees 15,000. Next, advertisement expenses. So in the problem they are given 1,75,000 as advertisement expenses, but in the adjustment number C they have given advertising expenses are to be spread over 5 years. That means to say whatever the amount which is given in the problem of rupees 1,75,000, that should be divided or spread over to 5 years. So that if you make a calculation on 1,75,000 into 1 by 5, which comes to 35,000. So this 35,000 will be taken for the current year. Next, rent. So rent of rupees 24,000. Next, depreciation on plant and machinery. In the adjustment number A, they have given depreciation only on plant and machinery. So plant and machinery is rupees 2,85,000 into 10 by 100, which comes to 28,500. So that the total expenditure is rupees 6,27,500. So the total income is 11,56,500. The total B, that is expenditure, is rupees 6,27,500. So next, profit before tax, that is income minus expenditure, or maybe A minus B. So 11,56,500 minus 6,27,500, then you will get 5,29,000 of profit before tax. So for this you have to add excess provision for tax. So in the problem they have given income tax reserve of rupees 60,000, but they have provide income tax, or they have paid income tax of rupees 50,000. So 60,000 minus 50,000, so excess provision is rupees 10,000, that is profit to the company. So that you have to take 10,000, that should be added to the profit before tax. Add last year profit. So in the problem itself they have given profit and loss account for the year 31st March 2014 of rupees 2 lakh. So total profit after tax is 7,39,000. So for that you have to deduct, or you have to less appropriations. So in the problem itself they have given preference dividend of rupees 50,000. In the problem itself they have given preference dividend of rupees 50,000. So that the balance is rupees 6,89,000. This is balance carried to balance sheet.